Welcome to my channel. TP-Link RE700X setup. Plug the extender into a power outlet next to your router. Wait until its power LED turns solid on. Set up via the Tether app. Get the up-to-date Tether app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Tap the plus button and select Range Extender. Launch the Tether app and log in with your TP-Link ID. If you don't have an account, create one first. Follow up instructions to complete the setup. The LED should turn solid on, indicating successful connection to your router. Set up via web browser. Connect your computer or smartphone to the extender's network TP-Link_Extender. Type http://192.168.0.254 or http://www.tplinkrepeater.net in the address bar. Create a password to log in. Follow web instructions to complete the setup. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.